Today, we're going to talk about why our clinic really focuses on mitochondrial damage before we dive into other disease and autoimmune solutions. In our experience, a lot of patients will have multiple symptoms and multiple conditions going on at the same time. So typically, we will focus on a mitochondrial reset. Well, why do we do that? Energy production is one of the keys. Your cellular systems, especially the mitochondria, your energy level, it is known as the powerhouse of your cells, and ATP is the most important thing. And if that ATP energy that your body produces isn't at optimal levels, then no matter what treatment, no matter what supplement you take, you may get some symptom relief, but you will not get the optimal results you're looking for. So, because that ATP is required by various other cellular activities, that is our main focus. Mitochondrial importance is also good for immune support. It plays such a crucial role in the production, and it assists in reactive oxygen, and your body will really need those type of things to combat infections and support other cellular defense mechanisms. Your mitochondria are also involved in cellular repair. So that means that as you age, your body's ability to do this cellular repair goes out. And so as you decrease by 50, 60%, your body does not have the energy that it needs to produce ATP and repair the damage. So what we're going to do is we're going to jumpstart that. And it's integral in cellular repair because it provides that recovery from damage and provides the necessary energy and resources for regeneration of tissues. So, what are the causes of mitochondrial damage? What we found is it's a combination of a couple things. One is aging, two is toxins, whether it's from something you ingest, heavy metals, poisons, mold toxicity, infections, and inflammation, which can lead to the mitochondrial dysfunction and energy depletion. The consequences of those damage can result in weird symptoms, fatigue, autoimmune issues, cancers. And what we've also found is since COVID, that this is one of the main areas of focus that we go into, especially when patients have tried various other things and not seen a difference. Chronic fatigue, low energy, low hormone conversions, treatments that are better, but then they come back, tumor progressions. These are all consequences of damaged mitochondria. So, one of the main treatments that we do is called EBOO, and that is basically where we take a blood filtration, we add nutrients such as oxygen into the body's and blood level that inadvertently reduces inflammation and forces that mitochondrial recovery. The second treatment that we focus on is photodynamic therapy, and that is light. It's light activated compounds for repair. We'll typically use things like curcumin, which is a natural compound, methylene blue, or essential vitamins such as riboflavin as a natural dye for the body to recognize these damaged cells. And then, in combined with photodynamic therapy, the results are absolutely phenomenal. Ozone therapy by itself can also be used, things like TenPAS or ozone injections. It modulates the immune system to support cellular recovery, and this therapy complements other treatments for optimal healing outcomes. And finally, we get into stem cell therapy. The regenerative potential of stem cell therapy, especially after you get done with EBOO, ozone, and photobiomodulation, the regeneration and the versatility of these stem cells to hone in on the most damaged tissue, it's kind of like giving gasoline to your mitochondrial engine, and all of a sudden it kicks into high gear, and your body's outcome is absolutely phenomenal. The clinical outcomes in supporting cancer treatments, autoimmunes, and chronic fatigue is pretty phenomenal. You will actually see the advantages of these treatments over the long course of 3, 4, 5 months, and the body just keeps healing. Our advantage is that we are multidisciplinary, where we have the capacity to talk to medical and natural doctors and put together a treatment plan that is based on your individual case. We source everything ethically. We have over 25 years experience in regenerative medicine, and our integrated approach actually optimizes healing and recovery. You can contact us at 405-848-7246. You can email us at venturesclinic@gmail.com, and our website is venturesclinic.com.